Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the square numbers multiplication. So let's start this. You know 5 times 5 is equal to 25. And do you know about 25 times 25 answer? It is, you have to write this one calculation by, but I tell you easy steps. So when normally we can calculate, we can get 5 times 5, 25, 2 remains, and 5 times 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. And 2 times 5, 10, right, put in 0 and remain 1. 2 times 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Then answer should be 625. So in here what happened, 25 times 25, this is easy method. First we write 5 times 5. That is, answer should be 25. So what is the number after 2? That is 3. So we multiply 3 times 2, 6. So answer should be same. So this is the thing I want to share with you. So let's go another sample. Then write 35 times 35. Then what is the answer? What is our previous method? 5 times 5, 25. And what is the number after 3? 4. Then 4 times 3, 12. Then 45 times 45. And 5 times 5, 25. And what is the number after 4? 5. And 5 times 4, 20. So this is the thing I want to share with you, and I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Thank you.